Easily organize and control multiple displays by groups. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up display groups and apply group-based settings using the Group and Tags feature in Neovo Manager. Let's get started. Go to the Group and Tags tab. Tap Add Group, then create the groups you'd like to organize. In this example, we'll use Retail Store and Meeting Room. While still in the Group and Tags tab, select List to view your created groups. Tap Add List, click Group, then select both Retail Store and Meeting Room to display them in the list view. Tap Retail Store, then tap Add Device. Select 55-inch signage to assign it to this group. Tap Meeting Room, then tap Add Device. Select 75-inch meatboard to assign it to this group. Select the 55-inch signage display under Retail Store. Go to Display Settings, then adjust the brightness and volume for the group. Select the 75-inch meatboard display under Meeting Room. Go to Display Settings, then adjust the brightness. Now you can manage your displays by group for faster, more efficient control.